सदैव खुश रहो। दिस इज JVN डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। प्रोग्राम BSc B.Ed PCM 5th सेम, कोर्स मल्टीवेरिएट कैलकुलस एंड वेक्टर डिफरेंशिएशन, एंड सेशन ऑफ टुडे इज काइंड ऑफ इम्प्रॉपर इंटीग्रल्स, फर्स्ट काइंड, सेकंड काइंड and third kind. So in improper integrals there is three possibility. First is either limit of integration is infinite or function is bounded, and second is limit of integration is finite, function is unbounded. Third one, the range of integration is infinite and function is unbounded. These are three category to have the having the first kind, second kind and third kind. So first kind is when integration limit is infinite and function is bounded. The integral AB fx dx is said to be improper integral of first kind or an infinite integral if the range of integration is infinite and the integrand is bounded. So for having first kind, the range of integration is infinite and integrand is bounded. For second kind function, the integral AB fx dx is said to be improper integral of second kind if the range of integration is finite and integrand fx is unbounded. Here limit infinite and integrand unbounded. Such type of definite integral is called the second kind of improper integral. Fx is bound at one or more point, unbounded at one or more point of the closed interval AB. So improper integral of second kind is nothing but the integration AB fx dx is said to be improper integral of second kind if the range of integration is finite and integrand is unbounded at any point. Improper integral of the third kind, the integrand AB fx dx is said to be an improper integral of the third kind if the range of integration is infinite and integrand is unbounded at one or more point in the interval a to b. The following example will clarify the definition. Example 1. The integral 0 to infinite dx upon 4 plus x square is an improper integral of the first kind since one limit, here upper limit, is infinite and integrand 1 upon 4 plus x square is bounded. Example 2. The integral minus infinite to infinite dx upon 4 plus x square is improper integral of first kind since both limit is infinite or integrand is bounded. Example 3rd. Integral 1 to 6 dx upon x minus 1 x minus 4. Here limit of integration is finite but integrand fx 1 upon x minus 1 x minus 4, it is unbounded at the point 1 and 4. Whenever we put the 1 in this function, it gives infinite, and 4 in the function, again it gives the infinite. So integrand fx is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 x minus 4 is unbounded. So in this function there is second kind of improper integral. It is because its integration limit is finite and function is unbounded. Example 4. 0 to infinite e to the power minus x upon x dx. Here limit of integration is infinite, upper limit is infinite, and integrand e to the power minus x upon x, it is also unbounded. So infinite limit and unbounded integrand. In this function there is third kind of improper integral. So these are the numerical of different kind of improper integral, first kind, second kind and third kind. For first kind of improper integral, limit of integral is infinite and function is bounded, integrand is bounded. Second kind, limit finite, integrand unbounded. Third kind, limit of integration is infinite and function is unbounded. So I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much. See you.